Hey traders, it's going into the last day of the year. We have a ranging mindset and it's pre-market. I'd like to talk about what I'm going to be looking for through the first hour or so of today. All of you should be aware that we have a ranging mindset. And you can see that we are on day 3. What does that mean? What it really means, practical terms, is that we haven't stress tested one side of the market and found it more resilient than the other. That is what kicks off a trend. So looking at tension, you can see that both sides of the market, from a market internal standpoint, have been able to push back and forth, sort of oscillating. So what I want to see today is a stress test of the market. And in tension, that looks like this, where we have it come down and it's able to stay up throughout the day. That creates one side of the market that's been resilient to a stress test and initiates a trend. What is that going to look like on these charts will be velocity number probably giving us an opportunity, or it could stay up throughout the day. And the same with decay, it could give us an opportunity or stay up throughout the day. What I do want to see is somewhere in these charts an opportunity for the bears to have an idea, try and sell that, and be used as liquidity. It's very important that you have trend traders show up and consume that liquidity for me to consider something a trend. So looking at this chart, you should be able to see that that's very possible today to keep this up, and we could see the trend traders come in. What are the other possibilities that we have going through today? Well, the most likely other opportunity will be for this to continue the ranging mindset, where we would have 4 days of ranging. That's completely possible. It's not the one I want or the one I'll be looking for, because it's not as exciting for me, and I want to see a trend establish. It provides more opportunities, so I'll be keenly watching for that. Now, if you're asking yourself, why aren't you looking for the bearish market? Well, the answer is pretty simple. In order to establish a bearish market, you need tension to be down at the open, stress test, and stay down through an entire day. And that is not possible. We have 2 opportunities, a bullish market or a ranging market. Now, there's a third thing that occasionally happens to be aware of, and we do see it now and then, and that is tension continues to do what it was doing before the market closed. So we could see tension just continue doing what it was doing. It doesn't happen nearly as often, but it does occur. I'll be watching for the bullish market first, the ranging market second, and the continuation third, in terms of like what I am going to be expecting to happen. So pay attention to the market internals to get a really quick, real-time sense of what's happening with trend traders, so you can get a realistic forecast for what type of trend will be developing and will be seeing throughout the day. I hope this was helpful to hear some of my thoughts about what's going to be happening through the market today. And as always, good luck trading.